The opportunity you have been waiting for has arrived, nestled in one of North Nanaimo's most desirable neighborhoods. This rare walkout executive rancher offers timeless custom craftsmanship, solid construction you can feel the moment you walk through the door, exceptional privacy, and panoramic ocean views. At 6480 Wedgewood Place, life is designed to be lived with ease. An executive rancher where everything you need most is on the main level. From your primary retreat and dedicated office to the beautifully appointed kitchen and principal living spaces, allowing for effortless day-to-day living without compromise. Picture preparing dinner in a warm, cheery kitchen beneath the skylight, granite island at your side, while still taking in the view, the conversation, and the comfort of the fire glowing in the stone fireplace nearby. Step out onto the expansive deck to soak in the ocean air, or retreat to the private front patio where awnings create the perfect sunny sitting area to unwind. Downstairs offers the kind of flexibility every homeowner appreciates. Generous guest bedrooms, a large rec room, and full bath ready for visiting family, extended stays, or multi-generational living. Outside, thoughtfully curated gardens with mature native and drought-tolerant plantings create beauty and privacy without demanding endless upkeep. Beyond your doorstep, the lifestyle is just as compelling. Challenge yourself on the iconic blueback stairs with 297 steps to get the heart racing. Spend low-tide afternoons wandering the vast sandy shoreline below. All of this while still being moments from parks, shopping, Costco, pickleball, tennis, and everyday conveniences in one of North Nanaimo's most established and desirable neighborhoods. This is the kind of home that doesn't simply check all the boxes. It elevates your everyday life.